Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create a group chat on the Snapchat. So if you want to know how you can create a group chat on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat mobile application. Once you will here, you have to go to the chats and on the right bottom you will see a chat icon, so you have to click on it and here you have to click on the new group and from the top you can simply write a group name tutorial and here you have to select the friends by tapping on it. Once you will select our friends, your group will be created. So this is the procedure to create a group chat on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.